Hi, donkeys. Like them? Tasto, do you like it?
Come here.
Do you like it? Huh?
Here, move back a little bit, boys.
Why?
So they can put their heads out.
I'm not putting it out.
Let them put their heads out.
I want to get more.
Oh.
Aí, do que see? Oh, that donkeys. That donkeys. He likes it? Let her touch it, let her touch it. Touch it, Chris.
She goes back and forth. He goes back and forth. He goes back and forth.
Just be gentle, okay?
Gentle, eh?
He goes back and forth.
It's so cute. Theo.
I want to get some more carrots.
We'll get him some food.
Ah!
We'll get him some food. I know they like food.
I don't want to touch the horsey.
You want to touch?
I don't touch the horsey. Oh, Dad, can you pick me up?
Here you go, Dexter.
What horsey?
Wait, that.
No?
Daddy?
Yay.
Daddy?
What's up,
I
Agapimo?
want to touch the horsey.
You want to go touch the horsey?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go touch the horsey.